Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Susmita Sapam and today I'm taking you through my flight preparation routine as a flight attendant. And I'm so excited to share all the little details that go into getting ready for a flight. So let's get started. First thing first, let's get my nails ready, and red nail polish is a must for a cabin crew. And next, let's give my shoes some love. A polished pair of shoes is essential for a professional look. I buff them to a beautiful shine. And look at that, ready to hit the skies. And now let's talk about packing. Oh my god, it's such a mess. As a cabin crew, I always make sure to have everything I need for a smooth flight, and here are some of my essentials. Uniform. Of course, my uniform is the star of the show. I always fold it carefully to avoid any wrinkles. Okay, but let's not talk about this. It's not healthy food, but I love to eat noodles in the flight. And I've got my own water bottle and my own cup. And also I've got my travel size toiletries here, including my skincare products, toothpaste, toothbrush, and keeping my skin fresh is super important during the flights. And now that we have packed everything, let's move on to skincare. Airplane cabin can be super drying, so I make sure to hydrate my skin before and during the flight. And today I have something super exciting to share with you all. I've recently taken up the glass skin challenge with Mamaearth, and I can't wait to show you the results. So, what is this challenge all about? Well, I'll be using Mamaearth's new Rice Water Dewy Active Serum as part of my daily skincare routine. The goal is to achieve that gorgeous Korean glass skin glow that we all dream of. And I'll be using this serum daily until this bottle is empty, and I can't wait to share the difference in my skin with you all. Enriched with the goodness of pure rice water, the serum deeply hydrates your skin and adds a glass-like glow. 10% niacinamide targets dark spots and pigmentation, resulting in an even skin tone. Hyaluronic acid, a potent humectant, locks in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated all day long. The best part, this MadeSafe certified serum is free of toxins and harmful chemicals, making it safe for all skin types. It has such a lightweight texture and absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling super hydrated and refreshed. I love how it instantly gives my skin a dewy finish. And also for the best results, I recommend pairing the serum with Mamaearth's Rice Face Wash, Moisturizer, and Rice Water Dewy Sunscreen. This complete routine will help you to achieve that radiant glow we all desire. Use my coupon code SAPAM2024 for 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app. Products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and nearby stores. Mamaearth listens to you, so use their products and share your feedback. They improve their onion shampoo based on our input. Plus, they're always upgrading their products through research and innovations for better quality. Now it's time for makeup. I like to keep it simple yet polished. Here's how I do it. I start with a lightweight foundation for a natural look. I add a touch of blush for a healthy glow. And for eyes, keeping it natural with some neutral eyeshadow, mascara and eyeliner. And now, for the finishing touch, my must-have red lipstick. It completes the look and adds a pop of color. And hair is super important too. It needs to be tidy and professional. I usually go for a bun. Don't forget to use my coupon code SAPAM2024. And now I'm ready for my flight. I'm all packed, polished and ready for my flight. I'm feeling excited and confident and I can't wait to meet our passengers. Thanks for joining me on this prep journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my adventures as a cabin crew member. Wish me luck on my flight and I'll see you in the sky. Bye! This is Argentine. Good news, I'm a promotion kadoure.